How to screen record on Samsung phones. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in some of the Samsung phones, there are built-in recorder, but in some there are not. In order to find out if you have a screen recorder built in or not, simply drag down this navigation bar. Now, if you can find any kind of recorder, simply tap on it and then you can easily screen record. If you cannot find it here, you can search for it using the plus icon and see if there is the available screen recorder in your device from this section. If not, what you will have to do is install an application from Play Store. There are so many screen recorders available in your Play Store and you can get it for free. Simply search for screen recorder. This X Recorder application is the most popular and recommended screen recorder among all. I am also using this one. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.